Howdy and welcome to London Creative. Painting gears on. At the beginning of the year I admitted that I am a midsie. Christmas present, I was bought my first K-pop album. Been a fan for the last couple of years, but this is the first actual physical album I've bought, or I had bought. Subsequently, they released a new album this year and of course I've bought it. I'm waiting on a new one that comes out end of November, which is soon-ish. So I'm a midsie. I'm also a Blink, a Blackpink fan, a once, twice fan, and there are many Keplins and so forth. I'm also, although I still think this is, I'm a fearless, but I'm a fear not. Fan of Le Seraphim. This is a new album and this is a newly acquired thing. And the album has inspired me, but the album cover has also inspired me. So today I'm going to do a flower painting based on that and the previous album cover, which is this thing. We're just going to use that as the starting point for two flower pieces. Let's see what we find and what we end up with. Okay, one white canvas. First one is going to be predominantly golds and yellow. I'm going to use yellows, silvers and golds. I'm going to do the base colour in this, Payne's grey. Then we're going to go there, there's a low loop, and then we're going to go, it's too thick. Oh god, this stinks, this paint. Oh my god. All this do's and that is just a sketch. Oh my god, that absolutely reeks. It's suddenly got very dark in here. The second I start painting. A couple of drops of this silicone oil. I think if I turn that light on, it's gonna cast weird shadows. That's what it's going to be. Some marshmallow white, which is slightly off. There's something missing there. I feel there's a black line missing there. Yeah, quite like that. There we go. The Seraphim white. Okay, this one is going to be the 5 lines that, because 5 members, actually it was 6, but there was a naughty girl. So we have yellow, magenta, Persian green, purple and blue. Mix these around a bit, so magenta in there. And I'm going to go across. I'm just going to blast in and try and blast that way. Shame the green didn't take. Seraphim black. See how they dry. the Seraphim 2, as it will be known. I can see a face, here, and nose, and a kind of rather exaggerated caricature of someone's face. But if you know any of these videos, and you always know that I can always see a demon or a skull or something scary, and I can see a skull up there. There's a skull, 2 eyes and mouth. Weirdly, I can't see it actually on the picture. I can only see it in the reflection in the video. That's very odd. Well, the Seraphim 2 is based on that. That's where it came from. From this to this. Not bad. And the Seraphim 1, the black version, although in this case the purple version, because I didn't have any black paint, excessive amounts of black paint to cover the whole thing. It kind of looks like a Rorschach test. You know, what do you see? Do you see your mother killing your father? See, it was dark. These beautiful flood art things, to me they're always dark demons. Says a lot, doesn't it? What do I see? I see a parrot. Well, I see 2 birds killing each other, I guess. This is a lot. There's the Seraphim 1, the black version. There was also, very quickly, I did do another one, which was the same thing, but that was better. This is just too much like a normal painting and normal colours and things. This is something different. Well, there you go. I hope you like this. If this was fun and entertaining and not ridiculous, then please do give this a thumbs up so that I know that it has been seen and you've liked it and whatever. And then the algorithms go, ooh, he's been seen. If you'd like to leave me a comment, tell me other things to try, other album covers to try, maybe suggest other K-pop albums or something. And if you're not already and you like seeing the flat and the painting and the making stuff and building random objects and statues and houses and all manner of random stuff, then hit subscribe and come back next time for something different. Until then, I shall see you then. Bye. And just to say, I've been bitten by something, and so my face has changed shape even more. You can kind of see it. When you're trying to video and you say to everyone, I'm videoing, every time, without fail, every time. Then hit subscribe. There must be somewhere, because it wouldn't be a flower painting if it didn't have a demon in it.